How fast do you eat your food? Do you chew slowly, savoring each bite? Or do you rush through your meals and snacks? We find that when we slow down and truly experience our food, we are satisfied with less food and improve our digestion. Plain and simple, our body needs food to be very broken down by the time it reaches our small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed. If we haven't chewed our food enough, or distractedly eat so that our glands don't get the signal to secrete enough saliva and hydrochloric acid, we're likely to suffer from indigestion. Want to experience what mindful eating truly looks and feels like? Grab a raisin, or a piece of any food for that matter. First of all, look at it and feel it in your fingers. Smell it and notice any aroma. As you do this, notice anything interesting that may be happening in your mouth or your stomach. Then, very consciously, take 1 or 2 bites into it and notice what happens in the aftermath, experiencing any waves of taste that emanate from it as you continue chewing. Without swallowing yet, notice the bare sensations of taste and texture in your mouth and how these may change over time, moment by moment. Also, pay attention to any changes in the food itself. Finally, see if you can feel what is left of the raisin moving down into your stomach and sense how your body as a whole is feeling after you have completed this exercise. Do this 5 minutes daily for at least a week. Evidence suggests that mindfulness increases the more you practice it. Your digestion and your body will thank you for your journey into mindful eating.